Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see arithmetic progression basic concepts which belongs to class 10. First let's see what is an arithmetic progression. It's just a number pattern which satisfies certain rule. So what is that? In a given number pattern, the preceding term is added with a fixed number to get a succeeding term. So just consider 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a number pattern. So here for 2, 1 is a preceding term. So with 1, I'm going to add a fixed number which is plus 1 so that I'll be getting 2. With the 2, again we are going to add 1 because 2 is a preceding term for 3. So again I'm going to add the fixed number 1 so that we are getting the succeeding term 3. And 3 plus 1 we are getting 4. Yeah, this is satisfying the rule, so it's an AP. Or we can say the same AP definition in other way. What is that? The difference between two successive terms are same throughout the pattern, then we can say it's an AP. See the same example I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So what here they are saying two successive terms. Take 1, 2 and 2, 3, 3, 4. They are two successive terms, right? So we are going to find the difference between these two successive terms. And all these difference are same, identical. Then I can say it's an AP. But when you are finding the difference, you need to find the difference between the successive minus proceeding. Like 2 minus 1 you need to find, and 3 minus 2 we need to find, and 4 minus 3 we need to find. Then if all the difference are same, we can say it's an AP. And here in AP, each number is represented by the word called a term. So number 1 is one term, 2 is one term, like that we can specify. And the term represented by letter A1, A2, A3 till AN. So what is A1? It's nothing but the first term. What is A2? It's a second term. What is A3? It's third term. What is AN? It's nth term, which we don't know. So here, what is this n? It's nothing but representing the term number. And we have seen that successive difference, right? Between two successive number, we had one difference. It's nothing but we will say it's a common difference that can be specified using the letter small d. Now we are going to check some problem whether that is an AP or not by using these rules. What is the rule we have seen? For a number pattern to be an AP, if you take two successive terms, the difference between two successive terms is same, then I can say it's an AP. Otherwise, no. So the first question is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So we are going to find the difference between the second term and the first term, which is 1 minus 3, it's equal to minus 2. Now the third term minus second term, which is also minus 2. Now the fourth term minus the third term, that is also coming as minus 2 only. Yeah, the difference is a common difference. So I can say this first question is an AP. Now the second question minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. Now I'm going to check the second term minus first term. So it's nothing but minus 1 minus of minus 5, which is equal to minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 4. So we got the difference between the first two terms as 4. Let's see between third and the second term. So 3 minus of minus 1. Yeah, this is also coming as 4 only. Let's see between fourth and the third terms. Yeah, it's also 4 only. Yeah, this is also an AP because this is also having a common difference as 4. Now let's see the next problem. So find the difference between second and first term. It's nothing but 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 4 by 3. And 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is also 4 by 3. 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3 is also 4 by 3. Yeah, this is also an AP. We'll see the next problem. Uh, 1.7 minus 0.6, it's going to be 1.1. 2.8 minus 1.7, yeah, this is also 1.1. 3.9 minus 2.8, this is also 1.1. Here also we have a common difference only, then this is also an AP. Next, we are going to find how to find the value of an. So what is an actually? It's nothing but nth term. So maybe I want in a given number pattern or in a given AP, I want what is the 50th term of that AP. It means what? A50. I need to find this. So we can find this using a formula. See, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If I want to find the 50th term, then a plus 49d you will be getting. So using this also we can make one general form of an AP. So first term is A. Why first term is A? Because A plus n minus 1. What is the n over here in the first term? It is 1 minus 1. So 0d. So that the first term is A. Second term, a plus 2 minus 1 into d is a plus d. And the third term is written as a plus 2d. Like that it will be keep on going. This is also a general form of an AP only. So now here what is A? It's a first term. What is N? It's nothing but the term number, which term you are finding. What is D? It's a common difference. Let's see some problem for finding an AP. So what is the first problem? We are going to find the 30th term of this AP. So what is A30? We are going to use A30. The formula, general formula first we will write A plus N minus 1 into D. So for this we know what is A and N, D. First we will find what are all the values. A equal to the first term which is 10 and N is nothing but 30 because we are going to find the 30th term. And what is D? It's second term minus first term which is minus 3. So just substitute in this 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. So 10 minus 27 balance 2, it's 87. So the answer is minus 77. So what is the value of 30th term? A30 equal to minus 77. So this is the answer for this problem. Let's see the next problem. 11th term of an AP. So first write what is A. It's nothing but minus 3. And what is D? It's minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. So minus 1 by 2 plus 3. So we need to take an LCM. 2 minus 1 plus 6. It's nothing but 5 by 2. So now we will come with the formula. A11 equal to A. What is the value of A? It's minus 3 plus N minus 1. It's nothing but 10. 11 minus 1 is 10. Into D. What is the value of D? It's 5 by 2. See, this is the term. So I can cancel this 2 and 10. So it becomes 5. So the answer is minus 3 plus 25. So we will be getting 22 as the answer. So what is the value of A11? It's 22. That's it. Now let's see the next. Next, we are going to find the sum of n term, which is nothing but Sn. How to define this? Just consider one AP as 2, 4, 6, 8 and it is going on. Now I want to find the sum of first 50 terms of this AP. Then we can say S50 is what? Like that we are going to find. For finding this, we have some general formula. It's nothing but Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know already what is A, it's a first term, and what is D, it's a common difference. What about this N? It's nothing but till which term we are going to find the summation. That term is nothing but N value. And we can solve one question over here. So 2, 7, 12, this is an AP, it's going infinitely. And we are going to find 10 terms, summation of 10 terms. It's nothing but S10 we need to find. So for finding S10, first we need to know what are all the values of A, N and D. First we will write that A equal to 2. And what about D? Is equal to 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. And what about N? It's nothing but 10. So now we will use this formula in order to find what is S10. So in this question we are finding what is S10. So yes, 10 by 2 into 2 into what is our A? It's 2 plus N minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into D is 5. So what is the answer? So here 2 and 10 will get cancelled. It becomes 5. So 5 into 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So which is 5 into 49 is equal to 5 balance 4 24. So 245 is the answer. So what is this? S10 is equal to 245. So we'll see one more problem in this. So it's minus 37, comma, minus 32, comma, minus 29. So you need to find what? We have to find S12. So till 12 terms, we need to find the summation. So what is A over here? It's minus 37. And what is D over here? It's minus 33. Minus of minus 37 will become plus 37. So D is equal to 4. And what about N over here? It's nothing but 12 because we need to find till 12th term we need to find the summation. So S12 equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into A value is minus 37 plus N minus 1. It's nothing but 12 minus 1, 11 into 4. So yes, 12 and 2 we can cancel. It goes for 6 times. 6 into 2 into minus 37 is 1474 minus 74 plus 44. So 6 into minus 74 plus 44 will be minus 30, which is equal to minus 180. So what is the value of S12? It's equal to minus 180. So this is the answer for this question. The next one is again the summation formula only, but this formula we need to use only if the last term of an AP is given. So this is the formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L, where L is nothing but the last term. So we will have one problem for this. See, the problem is 34 plus 32 plus 30. It is ending till 10. So the last term is 10. Okay, so L is equal to 10. So I am going to find now what is the value of Sn. But here, what about this n? Because this 10 is which term we don't know. What nth term is 10, but what is this n we don't know. So we are going to find first what is the n value of the term 10. So what is the value of that nth term, which is an equal to 10, and we know the expansion of an, it's nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 10. From the question we can find what is a, it's 34, and what is d, it's 32 minus 34, which is minus 2. So just we will substitute all these values over here. 34 plus n minus 1 we don't know, just let it be n minus 1, and d as minus 2 is equal to 10. So 34 n into minus 2 is minus 2n, minus 1 into minus 2 is going to be plus 2 equal to 10. So now 34 plus 2 is equal to 36. So I am going to move that to the RHS. So it's becoming minus 36. So minus 2n equal to minus 26. So n equal to 13. Minus and minus will get cancelled, and 2 is going for 13 times. So this value 10, the term 10 is equivalent to 13th term. A 13 value is 10. So now we got a value of n as 13. It is now easier to find the summation of this nth term. Now what is this nth term? Summation of till 13th term. So 13 by 2 into a value is 34 plus L value is 10. You can use the previous formula also, but this formula will make the calculation little more easier. That's the reason we are using this formula only if the last term is given. So 34 plus 10 is going to be 44. So 2 is going for 22 times. So 13 into 2, just will multiply 13 into 22. It's nothing but 26, 26. Yeah, it's going to be 286. So what is S13 value? It's going to be 286. All these problems are basic problems only. We'll see some difficult problems in the next videos. Thank you.